Hi, I'm Nurse Elaine. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Giselle May M. Marquez.
And how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
What grade are you now, Giselle?
I'm grade 3, section 1 in Lakeview Elementary School.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers only. I have no sisters.
Okay. What food do you like to eat?
My food I like to eat is pancit canton, spaghetti, and fried rice.
Wow! Okay. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be when I grow up is a teacher because she teach the children every day.
Wow! Great! Do you have any hobby?
Yes, I have a hobby.
What's that?
Is sing.
Yeah. Okay. Can you sing a sweet song?
Yes. Nang ika'y ibigin ko'y mundo ko'y biglang nagbago. Akala ko ika'y langit, yun pala'y sakit ng ulo. Sabi mo noon sa'kin, kailan may di magbabago. Naniwala naman sa'yo, ba't ngayon iniwan mo? Hindi mo alam dahil sa'yo, ako'y di makakain, di rin makatulog buhat ng iyong lokohin. Kung ako'y muling iibig sa'y di maging katulad mo, tulad mo na may pusong bato. Kahit saan ka man ngayon, dinggin mo'y itong awitin. Baka sakaling ika'y magising, ang matigas mong damdamin. Di mamdam sa'yo, ako'y di makakain, di rin makatulog buhat ng iyong lokohin. Kung ako'y muling iibig, sana maging katulad mo, tulad mo na may pusong bato.
Okay, thank you so much, Giselle, for your time and for sharing your talent with me. This is Nurse Elaine for the Computer Children Club. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye too.